Alright, we're going to tighten the belt on a Husqvarna K1270. Some of the issues I've had on the road and heard on the phones is that the wheel's glazing up, and what really happens is the belt's loose. So we're going to go over the belt tensioning procedure. Pretty quick video. As you see, there's a gauge here. It tells you when the belt gets loose. So what you do is you'll loosen these guys up right here. And then tighten the belt. You want to put this square nut just ahead of the tight side on that gauge right here. Then you're going to grab the head. This is what gets forgotten. You'll move the head, spin the wheel a little bit, move the head a little bit. What happens is that gauge will drift to the loose side. So I'll go ahead and tighten it up again. And I'll do that until this nut stops drifting backwards. And then I'll go ahead and tighten these two bolts back down. And now it's tight.